This is Jay is going to attempt to walk straight, to spin in a circle for a minute, and then try and walk straight. Go.
Shoot. I'm gonna start my time up.
Keep going, Jed.
I think this just might be the best part of the video.
Shut up.
You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. And I want you to walk towards me.
Now?
No, 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 not yet. Not yet. Keep going. 30 more seconds.
Oh, come on. You can go faster.
Come on, Jed. Go faster. Go faster. Faster. Faster.
Oh, frick.
Wait for it. I'm going to tell you when. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 10 more seconds.
Oh, come on.
Keep going. Keep going. You're the one who decides to do the minute. Keep going. Keep going. Walk towards me. He's on the floor. Keep walking towards me.
Okay.